Hi, want to protect your private apps on your Redmi Note 17? In this video, I'll show you how to set up App Lock step by step, and it only takes a few seconds with App Lock. You can protect apps like WhatsApp, Photos, Messages, Gallery, or any other application with an additional password or security method.